just like to welcome everybody back. Just going to be showing you these beautiful pelargoniums. Some people call them geraniums in this country, but they're actually called pelargoniums. Nickname is Pellies. These are ones I received from Fabrics Nurseries a few weeks ago. Gee, that's Cottingham Harmony Angel Pelargonium. Absolutely gorgeous. See the flowers there? Look at the quality of those flowers. This is only tiny yet. This has got a lot of catching up to do. The next one, I don't know if you can hear the rain coming down on my perspex roof, but making a real racket. Well, look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. These, I would recommend anybody gets these pelargoniums. Absolutely out of this world. This one is called, excuse me, this one is called Guanatop Perfection. That's an angel pelargonium as well. And then this one, which is looks like broccoli to me, the leaves. This one is called SK Burglar Angel Pelargonium as well. So what I'm going to be doing is pruning these back because they're really top heavy, and using the offcuts to try and see if we can get some cuttings to take off these. They're quite narrow, but it's only stuff I'd throw away anyway, so a little experiment and let's see how we get on, shall we? But yeah, originally these were little plugs that came in happy newspaper, and I potted them on straight away into these 9cm plastic pots. I've got one here, it's already filled with compost and already damp. So anything I think might take when I cut it back, I shall put them in there. So let's just carry on, shall we? Shall we get on? This has got a little bit of feed in it, this compost that I'll be using my faithful really sharp snips. You want to cut back down to a violin leaf node, just there. Oh, one below, that one there. Off like so. I'm going to go around, find where it's grown from. That one. Just put them on one side. I'm not bothered if I mix these up, it's not the end of the world. I'm not going to mess about doing tags just for these. This one here. Yeah, look at those flowers. Big spin round. This one's got a nice new shoot there. See, I'm pulling these right back because I want them to bulk out and get some nice shape to them. As you can see before, they were really top heavy, these. That one there. This one just there, and that's looks like it's nice to me. What I'll be doing the next few weeks is putting these on into bigger rounder pots. I don't know if you can see at the back there, that size. So putting these into pots that size next week or so, and get them settled in there nicely. But yeah, as you're doing this, you just want any dry leaves, because it has been hot on and off for the last few weeks. You must take them off. You don't want to get any fungus that affects these. So yeah, that's nicely cleaned up. And then just take a few leaves off, keeping the light from the centre, so that light gets right through. You get good airflow then as well. Yeah, just work your way around. You want plenty of light. The thing about these is if you get finger and thumb between them, it should just snap off nicely and leave a nice clean surface. Yeah, I will go through this again when it's been potted on. It's not the final time. Yeah, it's got a little bit more light there now, all the way around. And, so yeah, pleased with that. And that one is my Cottingham Harmony. So yeah, that's what I go about, training them, pruning them, and getting them looking something like it's going on to one side. That's because I've been in the greenhouse and I'm not orientating them properly. But now I've got these, I'm just going to take any surface off like that and get them loose off. Straight in here, doesn't matter, I'm not messing about with these. If they don't take, they don't take, it's not the end of the world. But yeah, strip any leaves, anything standing out off, and just down the side of the pot, like so. Right, this is, look at those flowers, this is all rubbish, you see. Not saying the flowers are rubbish, but I should prune these two back, set across. If you're taking cuttings, you want to take the flowers off there, any flowering shoots like there, pinch them out so it puts its energy into rooting. Put it down like so, off with the hard leaves in that corner. This one as well. Yeah, if you've got any questions regarding anything on my channel, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. I know it's a bit frustrating when people message people on channels and nobody actually replies for days. I do try and reply as quick as I can, because I know how frustrating it can be. Well, that's not going to work, is it? Never mind. As they get thinner, they get more fragile, you see. So I could try that, see if that roots. Not the end of the world if it doesn't. Yeah, look, 4 there. My offcuts. I've still got this one to do. But I won't bother you with all the just doing the same thing. Yeah, so that's my Pelargoniums from 5 nurseries. These little plug plants at the beginning of the year. And just don't like to prune them, keep them small, get plenty of shape on them. I'm just using the offcuts to see if any of them will root. Hopefully they will. But if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.